Dear viewers, today, October 2nd, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti throughout the country and paying tribute to the father of our nation. In the light of my study on the selected works of Mahatma Gandhi, an autobiography, in the words of Sriman Narayan, I feel a keen joy and pride to pay my tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. Please do listen. This is Dr.R.Abdul Hameed from Do Remember series channel, that is R. Abdul Hameed official. Please do subscribe, do share with your family and friends. Thank you. As all of we know that our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who is now universally recognized as the glorious symbol of truth and non-violence. Gandhiji was not only a great national leader who liberated India from foreign domination through a powerful, peaceful, and bloodless struggle, but also a profound thinker who placed before the world certain eternal principles for the guidance of human relationship and international behavior. Gandhiji always upheld the sublime aim of simple living and high thinking. To him, mere affluence and accumulation of material wealth was a primrose path leading to social, economic, and cultural disintegration. Mahatma Gandhi was deeply concerned with the welfare of the unprivileged classes in India as well in other countries. While striving to promote the good of all in a Sarvodaya society, he directed his first care and attention to the needs of the poorest and the lowliest. Gandhiji was a firm believer in the democratic way of life. He maintained that true democracy could be evolved only through non-violence and spontaneous cooperation. The spirit of democracy cannot be imposed from without, it has to come from within. He envisioned a world federation raised on the foundation of integrity and mutual respect in international affairs. Mahatma Gandhi lived every minute of his life for the good of mankind and had highlighted some basic principles as guidelines for humanity. In the inimitable words of Pandit Nehru, the light that has illumined this country for these many years will illumine this country for many more years. And 1,000 years later, that light will still be seen in this country, and the world will see it, and it will give solace to innumerable hearts. For that light represented something more than the immediate present. It represented the living eternal truths, reminding us of the right path, drawing us from the error. And as Dr. Albert Einstein had feelingly observed, generations to come, it may be, will scarce believe that such a one as this ever, in flesh and blood, walked upon this earth. Paying this tribute, I conclude with a request to all the youths of my country to study the selected works of Mahatma Gandhi published by Navjeevan Trust in 6 volumes as a part of Gandhi's centenary celebration. There are innumerable lessons we have to learn from Mahatma Gandhi's life and live a life of simple living and high thinking, and devote our dedicated service to care and give attention to the needs of the poorest and lowliest in our society. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Once again, thanking you all, Dr.R. Abdul Hameed. From Bengaluru, Karnataka,